Aloha! In this video, we are making a tasty and romantic treat, chocolate-covered strawberries. This super easy and delicious recipe only requires 3 ingredients: strawberries, vegan dark chocolate, and coconut flakes. First, we are going to break 2 bars of the vegan dark chocolate into a small bowl. We will save the 3rd chocolate bar just in case we need more. Next, we will microwave for 1 minute at a time. And then stir until the chocolate is nice and creamy with no chunks. Quickly begin coating the strawberries. To do this, insert a fork into the strawberry and spin the strawberry in the bowl of chocolate many times until the strawberry has a nice even coat of chocolate. Place the strawberry on a tray with parchment paper and repeat this step over and over and over again. When finished, lightly sprinkle the coconut flakes on top. Then place strawberries in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. And that is how you make delicious chocolate-covered strawberries. Enjoy!